Okay, welcome back. In this segment we're going to show you how to create a custom e-letter. You're going to go over to the Marketing tab right here. After you log in, you go to Manage E-Letters. When you get here, you'll see an area where all of your custom e-letters are kept. You'll see that some of the e-letters have a little D with a circle. This means that that's a default letter that is put in there by us. The ones without the D are custom letters that you can take and customize yourself. So every letter that you ever send out will be right here. You can save these in different folders, but right now we're just going to show you how to add a new one. So the first thing you want to do is click on Add E-Letter up on the top right. First thing we're going to do is give this e-letter a name. So you usually want to come up with something that'll tell you exactly what this is. So in this particular case, we're just going to call this IYN for In Your Neighborhood, and then we'll give it a date, 4/20. Okay, the subject is the subject line of the email. This is a topic for a whole nother segment. But in this particular case, we're going to call it in your neighborhood, Irvine News. Okay. Description is optional, as well as folders and keywords. The important thing here is that you need to select this as a video type email if this is one of the types of e-letters that has a video in it. If it's a text email, then go ahead and click text, but this one is a video email. Next, we have to add the video link from YouTube. So what we're going to do is find our link. We need to go over to YouTube. If you search for High Velocity Marketer, notice there's no spaces there. You'll see all the videos that were created for High Velocity Marketer. So I'm going to just take one of these at random. Just put that on pause for a minute. Okay. Now when you see the video at this point, you'll see there's a little button down here that says Embed. When you click on that embed, you'll see a box open up, and this code that's here is the code that is used to embed this video into an email or a website. So all you have to do is copy this. I'm just hitting Control C on the keyboard, copying that information. I'm going back to the High Velocity site, and I'm going to paste that code right here into the newsletter. Okay. Now we hit save, and now we select which newsletter we're going to pick, and we're going to take an In Your Neighborhood in this particular case, and continue. Now this is asking us to add the thumbnail that someone would see on the email. And I've already got this in here. Now the thumbnail, creating the thumbnail is a topic for another video. We'll have that in another section. But we already have that in here somewhere. It's right here. Okay, we select it, and we upload, and it was uploaded successfully. Now we're back. So now we have the In Your Neighborhood newsletter right here, and there it is. Okay, so when you get your newsletter pretty much the way you'd like it, we're just going to go back to small screen mode like that. And then you can hit submit in order to save this. Now notice when you submit, you'll have two buttons, one that says send now and one that says no, don't send. Well, you don't want to send this right now. You always want to send a test to yourself first. So we're going to say no, don't send. And there you go. That's the end of this particular video. We'll have more details on this on the next one.